Welcome to Leada. My name is Christoph Braun, and in the following I will introduce you to the main features of your new app. Let's start right away. You will receive a registration link. Please follow this link to go to the registration page. Enter your email address, set a personal password, and decide how you want Leada to address you. Then confirm the privacy policy and click on Register. That's it. Your personal Leada account has been created. Next, open the app. Leada is available for iOS and Android and as a browser application at app.leada.de. Log in with your email address and password. Leada onboarding starts automatically when you register for the first time. You will be asked to evaluate a few theses and can then configure the app to your liking. You can skip this step as well. All settings can also be made retrospectively. You will now be taken to the Leada home screen. The main element of this screen is the circle in the middle, the so-called Leada circle. This is where the impulses, the essential building blocks of every Leada program, are displayed. We like to compare Leada to a streaming service. The only difference is that our content is not called Game of Thrones or Friends, but rather, for example, strengths orientation or constructive error culture. Just as you select a certain program on a streaming service and then the individual episodes are played out to you in sequence, in Leada you select certain thematic packages and then receive their content in sequence. One such theme package starts automatically when you open Leada for the first time, the tutorial impulse. As you can see, it is immediately displayed in the Leada circle in the middle of the home screen. If you click on it, a chat will open automatically. There, you will find the impulse in full length. Each impulse leads to a call to action or a comprehension question. Take a moment to read the impulse thoroughly and answer the final question. As soon as you have done this, the next impulse appears. In this way, the topic packages develop as dialogues between you and Leada. As you can imagine, over the course of a few days or even weeks, extensive and individual reflections on given topics emerge. Let's now take a look at where you can browse and start the other theme packs. To do this, move the Leada circle on the home screen to the top left position, Library. Click on this area to access the Leada library with all the content available to you. As you can see, you also have access to podcasts, videos, and an extensive tips catalog in addition to the topic packages. The topic packages themselves are sorted by keywords. Click on a topic package to open a comprehensive description including a list of contents. Here you can also have the option of starting that package immediately. You have now become familiar with the core elements of Leada. Let's take a quick look at the other features of the app. If you move the Leada circle to the bottom right position, you will have access to the My Company area. If you are participating in a company program, you will find additional information here. For example, more detailed documents or the contact details of your personal contact person. If you move the Leada circle to the bottom left position, you can access the My Status area. Here you will find information about your performance. This results from your answers to the Leada thesis. You will also find app awards and confirmations of success for completing Leada theme packages. You can download the latter as a PDF if you wish to present them to third parties. Back to the home screen. Finally, you will also find the menu in the top right-hand corner. In the menu, you have access to all the Leada areas already discussed. You can also edit your profile details and make various settings. That, in a nutshell, was our introduction to the Leada app. We hope that you will find your way around and experience many successful Leada moments. If you have any questions, criticisms, or comments, please do not hesitate to contact us at any time. Simply send us an email to info@leada.de. Thank you very much.